Okay, 3 hours later, I did my workout this morning, showered, and got ready for the day. I actually put on real clothes. Who am I? I don't even know anymore. So I'm gonna run errands. I'm really in the home decor vibe. So I'm gonna go to Pier 1 because they're closing all their stores. You can't buy anything online anymore. And I wanna go see what they have, what kind of sales they have going on. My dresser and nightstand are actually from Pier 1. So maybe I'll see if there's anything else in that same collection that they might have available that I might want to pick up because they're not gonna have it anymore. I don't know, but I do want to look for some throw pillows and blankets, like accessories and stuff to cozy up the apartment. Guys, I bought a couch. Yes, I bought a couch. So I bought it like a couple of weeks ago and it's supposed to come this week. So I'm really excited about that. It's just taken me a long time to figure out what I wanted to do with my studio apartment. I sold a lot of my furniture from my old apartment and really decluttered my life for spiritual reasons, less things to worry about, getting rid of all this stuff that just didn't bring me joy. And I really haven't been buying furniture or much home decor for this apartment. So I've been inspired since quarantine. You know, I'm home staring at the same walls and I figured it would be a great time to browse, and I finally found what I was looking for. And the thing is, I didn't even know what I was looking for, like the style or the color. I just knew I would know when I saw it, and as soon as I saw the couch I was like, that's it. So that will be coming very soon. So I want to get like throws and pillows to decorate it, and I don't really know how many I should get. That's the thing, like I probably should wait until the couch comes to do those things, but I really want to get the pillows now. So we'll see how that goes. Maybe I might do some window shopping at Pier 1 just to get some ideas, but I do have like a mood board, like pictures of inspo that I saved on my phone to kind of decorate the couch situation, so stay tuned for that. But it is very hot outside, so I'm literally gonna run maybe 2 errands. I would love to go to Trader Joe's to get some food. We'll see you guys when I get up to Pier 1. I'm going to the Glendale location because they don't even have a bunch of locations open. I don't even know if this one is open because I didn't call, but the website said it was. But I did make myself a smoothie. Actually, it's not a smoothie, it's a shake, protein shake. And it's one of my recipes from my fit guide. Is this road closed? How y'all gonna do me like that? So I'm gonna make a little detour. But this is very high calorie. This is for the gains. This is very high calorie. There's a lot of healthy fats, a lot of protein in it, a lot of carbs. So let me just tell you, I was doing my workout today and I did my update on my story for Instagram. Let me tell you, my booty grew almost an inch during the duration of my 30-day shred, and I was able to keep my tummy on flat. Yes, so if you guys are looking to get those booty gains while also working on snatching your waist, getting a flat belly, toning up overall, ooh, then it's definitely worth checking out, especially if you need some structured workouts in your life, and you can pair it with my fit guide for healthy recipes. Okay guys, we have arrived. Look at that, going out of business, bro. I can't believe it. Quarantine? Miss Rona didn't come to play. Oh, neither did this weather. It's 105 up in Glendale right now. I love it. Makes me feel like I'm in Vegas. I'm gonna chill until I finish this. Oh my god, 106. It keeps going up. Gotta hydrate really quick. This is 105 degrees out here. I'm not trying to pass out. Let's go get what we need to go get. This place is so empty. Wow. That location was, my whole face is on this mask. That location, or this one, was super picked over, like super, but they did have some really good discounts. Like, I'm talking pennies. There were some really cute wine glasses, but I don't even really drink anymore unless there's like a reason, like a celebration or like, I don't know. Anyways, I just didn't feel like I needed to go get them, but they were super cute, giving me Z Gallerie luxe vibes. So yeah, it didn't really have any pillows that I saw online or blankets or anything from the Hayworth collection, but that was kind of expected. I'm sure they've been having this going on a business sale for a while. I don't even know, to be honest, but I'm just gonna go home now because it's too hot to be out here. I still have items in my cart on zgallerie.com. I've just been waiting to find other alternatives, but honestly I should just get what I want from the website. Just get it, girl. Just get it. Just got back from Trader Joe's, so I figured I would give you guys a little bit of a haul. This is for like those lazy days. Let me just tell you, I'm feeling so over cooking everything. So for the next few days, I'll be eating chicken salad. I got these, which I haven't got these little ciabatta rolls in a while. I love adding like a Greek style dressing to them, toasting them up. They're so bomb. And then I also wanted to try this beef and broccoli. I watched a YouTube video on it and the girl said it was really good. So I might have this tonight for dinner or another day this week. And because I already know I love this, the Mandarin orange chicken, it's so good when you make it in the oven. And then I like to pair it with a broccoli or a green vegetable of some sort and then have some rice. I also got myself some frozen cauliflower. That's really bomb because there's no added ingredients to it, so you can kind of flavor it however you would like, and it's super healthy. For my snack this week, or this half of the week, I decided to do veggies with hummus, and this is my favorite. As you guys know, it has some really bomb flavors on top that I like to mix together. I got this for today, which is the Guava Goddess kombucha. I've been getting back into having these a few times out of the week. It's just really great for your digestion, good gut health. Of course, you have your probiotics, and it's just a fermented tea, and I really like this flavor, so I'm happy to see that Trader Joe's carries it. And then for some protein options, again, when I say lazy, that is the definition of this Trader Joe's trip. I got the balsamic vinegar and rosemary chicken. I got 2 of them this time around. That's everything in there. Ooh wee. These looked amazing. Oh my gosh, they were like $6 and I'm gonna eat them in the next 2 days. So this was my fruit of choice. I got myself another one of these salads. They're so good. You can definitely bulk them up with some avocado. That's what I like, to add some healthy fat. Keeps me full a lot longer. Your girl got some broccoli. This I wanted to have raw. I'm trying to get into more raw vegetables just to help get that fiber in. And I've been craving like cold foods, so I got some lemons to do salad dressings, obviously to put in my guacamole, and also lemon water. And these were really good the last time I got them. This is gonna be good for avocado toast and then dipping into my hummus. I still have some from the last time. They're just so sweet and juicy. And I haven't gotten their matcha in a while, and since I don't go out and get beverages like that, I figured this would be really bomb to have on hand for those times when I need like an afternoon pick-me-up and I don't wanna have another coffee. So this one is dairy-free and it is made with almonds, so love that. And then I got myself 2 of these little ginger shots to boost my immune system. Ran out of some garlic, so I picked up some of that. You guys know they have the best spices at Trader Joe's. And then I got some of these organic little carrots, again, to dip in my hummus. That sounds so good right now. And then my healthy carb is just some more brown rice. I always like to have this stocked up in the fridge. I eat rice all the time. So that was like my weekly haul. So I ordered a bunch of these black felt hangers off of Amazon. Such a good deal, you guys. I threw them up on my Amazon page. I love these. They're very slim and the material really helps whatever fabric the shirt is not to slip off of them. So I'm using my day today to go through and switch out all of my hangers in my wardrobe from the plastic ones to the felt. So hopefully I have enough. I hope I do. But looking at all of my sweaters and stuff, it's making me so excited for fall time. But it's 100 degrees out in LA right now. But you know, we can just dream. But I did want to show you guys that I'll be switching these out. I think it's gonna make a big difference in my wardrobe. So far I've got these on right now. And I gotta do all of these back here. It just doesn't look as good. And I feel like I'm able to fit way more in the space, so I'll be able to see what it looks like when everything is hung up. And then I've got all of these ones switched over. These are all of like my outerwear, like really nice outfits. Like if I have somewhere to be, like an event for work, or it's a celebration or a birthday, you know, we have all those looks back here. So that's my little project. By the way, go get you some doll merch. Let them know. Skirt! We coming for them. You guys can shop my merch shop in the description box below. The rest of my closet is a hot mess, so I don't even want to show you guys what's going on. Oh my gosh. Everything I'm finding, I'm like shopping my own closet, has tags on it. Quarantine has me going nowhere. Like I just don't feel like I need to get dressed. Anyone else feel that way? Let me know so I'm not alone. Just enough hangers, you guys. So definitely check them out over on my Amazon page. I think it's definitely a space saver and a life saver. Ooh, it looks so cute. Okay. Look what I just got, a little birthday gift from Drunk Elephant. This is the cutest thing I've ever seen. I don't know what's inside, but we are about to find out together. Super cute, guys. I don't know what it is. What's up? Team Drunk, happy birthday. Oh, it's a cute little bracelet. So freaking cute. Oh, thanks guys. I think I'm in love. I started wearing bracelets again, hence the one that I already have on. So this is like the perfect combo, and I don't think I've ever gotten a birthday gift from PR. So this is super special, and I absolutely love my Drunk Elephant fam. Use your products every day and night, and it keeps my skin looking fresh. So go show them some love, you guys. This, literally I faced it towards me so I can see it, and I think it'll make me smile. So cute. Little mini Target run, you guys. I actually ordered online these bed sheets because I haven't been able to find them for so freaking long, and I used to have these when I lived with my mom, and they're the jersey sheet set. It literally feels like you're sleeping on a gigantic t-shirt. I don't know, I just remember the quality being so great, and they're not even that expensive. As you can tell, they're from the Room Essentials line, so I will link them down below. They do come in a bunch of different colors, but I went with the pink shade, so I'm gonna throw those in the laundry very shortly. And then I also stocked up in store on my favorite fall fragrance like cleaning product. So this is the all-purpose cleaner in the Acorn Spice. This literally lingers on the surfaces. Like I just wiped mine down and it smells so good, you guys. So if you want to get into the fall spirit, definitely pick up some of these. I'm not the biggest fan of the apple cider fragrance. Kind of makes me nauseous, so I didn't repurchase that. And these are limited edition, so they are only available during the fall season. And with everything going on, it's so hard to find things that I actually want to go get like this. So when I see it, I definitely snag it. And I also picked up some of the hand soaps to go along with that because they were the only two that were on the shelves. So I got one for the bathroom and then one for the kitchen, and they're pretty affordable too. So I really like this brand. Really, I'm just waiting for a bunch of my orders to come in as far as my couch delivery, and I have to put it together. And it's interesting because it's actually shipping in 3 different boxes, which a lot of the reviews said they appreciated because it was easy for them to lift themselves, which is great for me. And also they said it was really easy to put it together. So hopefully it won't be too hard. I got a peek at the directions, so I think it's literally 3 steps. So yeah, that'll be on Friday. I might go ahead and just order the things that I really want to get off of Z Gallery. I don't think it'll be here in time as the couch, but I guess when it comes in, obviously I'll show you guys that. I just didn't have luck today out at Pier 1, and I guess I should have known better. Sir, he's like licking my face. It must be the Too Faced Cosmetics because it all smells like peaches. He's crazy. Yeah, I should have just expected Pier 1 not to be crazy packed with all the good stuff, because everyone I'm sure was there when they heard about it first to get the things that they really wanted to get. I ordered more candles from Bath & Body Works though, and that was from Candle Day, so I'm waiting for those to arrive. And yeah, you know, it's just the little things. I might try to go to Target later to see if I can get these lampshades that I want to switch out to just white. I don't care if they're round, maybe square could be cool too, but I definitely want to get a white lampshade for over here. And then over here, this, oh my god. Ah! You good? What are you thinking about? Made myself a little snack. Guess what we are binging on Netflix? Jane the Virgin, yes. Jane the Virgin is so good. I forgot that I started watching this, and I've been watching season 5, so it's been lit. It's been so lit. I love romantic dramas. It's my favorite style, like, TV show.
And a happy couple are on the up and up on the table.
Vitamin B English. It's right here, Petra.
My dad sent me a package. I asked him if I could open it today because it's for my birthday, and he said yes. I can't tell if my dad got this or if they did it at the place. Like, do you think like a gift wrap?
I don't know. I think your dad would definitely take credit even if he didn't.
I'm gonna ask him.
I think he's gonna be like, yeah, I did. Did you like it?
There's a card, and it's kind of rubbing off because it's so hot. But it says, enjoy your birthday. Wish I were there. From Dad. Love that. So let's see what it is. He already sent something else, but I believe it goes to this. He said it wouldn't make sense until all the things came. Guys, I'm gonna cry. My dad bought me a Diva light ring so we can have better quality lighting at night. And the thing is, I never film at night, so this will come in clutch. So he sent me an extra battery to it, and then I think like a soft light filter. That's what I got, and I was like, what is this? So I'm gonna have to figure out how to put this together. I'm so excited for more of like the sit down style videos that I've been doing more on the channel. And I'm so excited. So actually he told me it was from Amazon. He told me to link it for you guys. So I'm gonna put the link in the down bar, and then I'll also throw it up on my Amazon page so you guys can check this out if you guys are looking for lighting and all that good stuff. I literally have this same lighting kit that I had in high school. Came in like 4 pieces. I only have 1 and a broken umbrella. So, you know, this is a nice little upgrade. So thanks, Dad. Beautiful. Maybe it's too high.